Assalamu alaikum students. I am here to learn you maths of class 1. I have the book of maths page number 42. In this lecture we will learn the concept of greater than and less than. It is very easy to learn the concept of greater than and less than. We have two methods. First is Croc's mouse. Second is our hands. First we will discuss the Croc's mouth. Look at here. These are my two hands. We have put them on each other. If we will open our hands, it will make the Croc's mouth shape. Look at here. This is making the Croc's mouth shape like this. This is the Croc's mouth shape. Now if I have the number 9 here and the number 12 on the other side, what do you think? Which number will eat the crocodile? Definitely crocodile will eat the more numbers because he is very hungry. It will call the 9 is less than 12 because Croc's back toward the 9 and mouth toward the 12. If I have the number of 19 here and the number of 7 here, then what do you think crocodile eat? Which number? Definitely he will eat the more numbers. Then it will call 19 is greater than 7. If we have the equal number on both sides, then which number will eat by crocodile? It may confuse to children. Then we will put the sign of equal in the middle of these two numbers. Crocodile can eat this and this. This is equal for the crocodile. Now we have the second method, hands. We can elaborate this concept with our hands. Look at these two hands, right hand and left hand. Both these two can be used for this concept. I will make the shapes of these two hands. Look at here, this shape and this shape. This shape is for our right hand and this shape is for our left hand. If I have the number 65 here and the number 75 here, then we will make the open shape toward the bigger number. Look at here, I am making the open hand shape toward the bigger number 75. Then it will call the 65 is less than 75 because our hands back toward the less number. That's why that number is less than. If we will write the number 90 and the number 40, then our right hand shape toward the greater than number. Now we can say 90 is greater than 40. We have properly learned this concept, greater than and less than and also equal. Now look at the book. You can solve page number 43, page number 44, page number 45 and page number 46 by yourself at home. Do this work at home with consistency and learn it properly. Do practice. In our next video, we will discuss the concept of ordering numbers up to 100, ascending and descending order. So keep watching our videos. Take care. Goodbye.